Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover the airdrop of Hydro Protocol. This is a very important DeFi protocol in the Injective ecosystem, and if you have been a follower here, you are already staking in Injective, so part of the airdrop you are already eligible to get it. So like always in my videos, we are going to cover a little bit about the project, the news about the project, this airdrop that is confirmed and is going to be very soon, and how you can expect and participate on the rest of this airdrop, which is 3 phases. We are going to cover all that information in this video. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey guys, well, like it says in the thumbnail of this video, the Injective Staker airdrop season has started already, and this is one of those cases for the Hydro Protocol airdrop. Hydro Protocol is the ultimate platform for staked assets on the Injective network. Liquid staking derivatives, LSD, which is a concept that you see a lot on DeFi, is a protocol that aims to provide the benefits of staking in the cryptocurrency space while maintaining the liquidity of your assets. Important points about Hydro Protocol are that the launch date has been confirmed for the 31 of January, so in less than 2 weeks we are going to be the launch of this project. The airdrop is confirmed for Injective stakers, so congratulations if you are staking in Injective. The snapshot was taken, so you are already part of that percentage of the airdrop. But this airdrop has 3 phases, so stay tuned until the end of this video so you see how to apply for the next and if you are eligible of the rest. And the token max supply is going to be 1 billion tokens for this Hydro Protocol. I think this could be very important on Injective. So 1 billion tokens is not a crazy supply, so these tokens could work really well. So the first thing that we are going to do is directly go to the point 1 of this video, which is cover the official airdrop information on the official link. I will not read everything, but I have some highlights here. So the timeline is this: 31 of January is the mainnet launch. They have a farming future, which is the phase 3 of airdrop, which is 4 weeks from January 2024. That means basically that during February you are going to be able to participate on this farming future, which is the phase 3. Then we have the Mito finance public sale on February 2024, the launch of the token, the creation of the token on March, and the airdrops of the phase 1 and 2 on March 2. So that is the timeline, and now we can see how this airdrop is going to be distributed. You can see on this image, they have the phase 1 is for testnet airdrop, the phase 2 is for Injective stakers airdrop. So if you have been already staking in the Injective protocol, you are already participating on phase 2. If you are not staking your Injective tokens, please go to my website on cryptocurrencystate.net/videos. Here you can search for Injective, and you will see all the coverage that I have been doing for Injective on the last weeks and month. Please check this video, best Injective airdrops to do. It's a very important video, and here you will be already delegating to Injective validators, and doing that you are going to participate freely in many airdrops. For example, like Hydro that we are covering here, so that makes you eligible for phase 2 here. So going into the details, the phase 1 is the testnet airdrop. For all those who participate in the testnet campaigns back in the fall of 2023 are eligible to receive this airdrop. The snapshot has been taken. So if you are seeing this video for first time and you didn't participate on the Hydro finance protocol, you cannot be part of this part of the airdrop. So moving into the phase 2, like we say, this is for the stakers on Injective validators. Hydro is excited to be part of an amazing community in the Injective ecosystem. As a celebration for our launch, we will also provide an airdrop for everyone who has any amount of Injective staked into an active validator within the Injective ecosystem. The snapshot for eligible wallets was taken on January 4th. If you staked Injective before that or watching my videos on the last weeks and months, then you are already participating here. The entitlement factor for this airdrop is based on the duration and amount that was staked. And guys, this is very important and I just want to make a comment about this. There's no minimum on how much you can stake. So I would recommend you to be above 250 because sometimes the amount that you stake is part of the eligibility criteria. In this case, it's going to be a proportion. So they are going to do a calculation. So even if you stake it one Injective, you are going to be fine, but it's not always the case. So try to stake right now if you didn't stake, even if you miss it, Airdrop Protocol. Stake right now and try to stake amounts about $250 at least. My best recommendation, $500 is going to be enough to cover any kind of airdrop. And now the phase 3, this is early access farming, and this is the part that you can do and the reason of this video. The early access farming is an early access incentive for users who stake their Injective with Hydro once it's launched. So pay attention to that. So this is once it's launched, right? They say we have reallocated a significant amount of our tokens to help boost the future. And the early access farming will last for only 4 weeks. So this is during February. To be eligible, you just need to stake your Injective and mint your Edge Injective with Hydro and you will be set. Too easy to be true? Yes, it is. So basically you are going to stake in the Hydro protocol once they launch it. So mark this on your calendar, January 31 for the launch of Hydro, and then 1st of February enter here. And of course, the earlier you get, the greater the rewards, and the more you stake, the greater the rewards. So make sure you have your Injective ready for the Hydro rush. The step 2 here, guys, and the step 3 are the websites. There are many information about how Hydro works. So I would recommend you to take a look and check it. For example, maybe you don't know, but they are going to be also working with real world assets, which is a hot topic, and many other things that you can find out here. And in the Twitter, 31k followers is a decent amount, but it's not a big amount if you think that the airdrop is already almost in phase 3. So you may want to enter some positions on the stakes on February and you could get a very nice portion of this. And again, Injective is really hot topic right now, and the Injective airdrops are going to be during all this year. So take your chances here, do your own research. This is not financial advice, but I would recommend you to get into this early access farming. Put it in your calendar, February 1st, take some Injective tokens and stake it in Hydro. The step 4 is that, the recommendation for the phase 3. And the point 5 is, if you are a follower and you didn't do my Injective video in December, please go check my Injective videos so you don't miss any more airdrops on the Injective ecosystem. And please remember that I have some private subscriptions to my private Discord and my private application. My airdrop application is going to help you to have all the airdrops organized, the ones that I cover in my channel to apply very easily, and also custom airdrops that you can put from another sources. So using my app, you have everything that you need to apply and be in order on what you're doing on your airdrop path. And in my Discord, you are going to get the alpha information, all the airdrop distribution, new airdrops, because of course I don't cover all the airdrops that I apply in my YouTube channel. In my community, we are applying to many other airdrops that sometimes we miss here on my YouTube channel. So we also talk about crypto gems and many other things in my Discord that are not covered here in YouTube. So check my subscriptions if you really want to make a difference and be one of the airdrop hunters on 2024. That will be all for this video. The Hydro airdrop for Injective stakers already started. The airdrop season on Injective started too. That will be all. Please, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.